Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have data. Now begin. Click the target cell and type equals IF. For a simple test, enter IF and A210 B2 equals yes. Pass. Fail. Use cell references so formulas stay dynamic. Once done, copy the formula down with the fill handle. Make sure to wrap expressions in parentheses when combining and/or because Excel evaluates functions before operators. This starting move establishes a reproducible pattern you can extend to more conditions or other columns. You now expand logic for real scenarios. For multiple acceptable values, nest or, and A25 or B2 equals X, C2 100. If you need exclusions, use not, for example, and not D2 equals no, E2 less or equal 50. Once done, consider switching to countifs or SumProduct when evaluating lists or many rows. Those avoid long nested or chains and perform better. Make sure to test edge cases, like blank cells or text numeric mismatches. Small data errors often break logical tests and give unexpected results. You're at the finish line. Validate and secure the logic. Use evaluate formula to step through and slash or evaluation if results seem wrong, and wrap risky calculations with IFER to avoid hash value or hash div/0. Once done, convert formulas to values if you must preserve results. Make sure to test boundary conditions, blanks, and text. Those reveal common pitfalls. Troubleshooting tip. If a compound condition fails, isolate each sub-expression in its own cell to see which part returns false or an error.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.